morning, my dear class 4 children. Welcome to our science class. Do you remember we started a new lesson? Yes. Which lesson it was? Yes, we started our third lesson, that is air, water and weather. So in our last class, what did we learn? We learned about what is weather, what are the different factors that affect changes in the weather, isn't it? Then we saw about an important thing. What was that? We saw about the sun, the influence of sun in the various weather changes, isn't it? Yes, did you all learn and read the textbook? Okay, so in our today's class, we are going to see something more about air. What is air? Everywhere around you, you can see air. You cannot see air, but you can feel it, isn't it? Yes, you can feel. Everywhere around you, we have air. Do you know what is air? Air is a mixture of various gases. That is, it is made up of different types of gases in it. Do you know which are the different types of gases in air? Yes, air contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, then water vapor and few dust particles are also there in the air. Okay, so air is a mixture of various gases. Now, do you know what is there around us? There is a blanket of air. There is a blanket of air around the earth. There is a blanket of air around the earth and it is called as atmosphere. It is called as atmosphere. You have heard about this term atmosphere, isn't it? But you are not aware of what is this atmosphere. So now tell me, what is atmosphere? Yes, the blanket of air around the earth is called atmosphere. Now, when this air moves, when the air is moving, it is called as wind. When the air is moving, it is called as wind. Have you heard about the term wind? Yes, when the air moves, it is called as wind. A strong wind, suppose it is a very strong. A strong wind is called gale. G-A-L-E. A strong wind is called gale. Suppose if it is not so strong and all, it is a very light and very cool wind, then it is called as light wind is called as breeze. It is called as breeze. Suppose it is a very strong wind. Can you tell me what it is called? It is called storm. You have heard about this storm? Sometimes storm will be there along with this thunder and lightning. Have you heard that? That is called as thunderstorms. That is called as thunderstorms. Many a time we have heard about this thunderstorms. So many distractions are happening around us and all. Because of this thunderstorms, or big trees may fall down. Yes. So children, this wind is also a factor that will affect the changes in the weather. Isn't it? Wind is also a factor that will affect or that will cause changes in the weather. So clear about what is air, what is wind and all. When we are talking about air, we need to know about two new terms. Okay, that is sea breeze and land breeze. We told that what is breeze? Yes, the gentle air, gentle wind is called as breeze. So what is this sea breeze? Yes, in the coastal, it is a coastal breeze which blows from sea towards the land. The coastal breeze that blows from the sea towards the land is called as sea breeze. Do you know when the sea breeze will be occurring? Always sea breeze will be occurring during the daytime. Now let us see how this sea breeze is occurring. Just look at this picture, children. Yes, during the daytime, what will happen? Yes, land will be heated up very easily, isn't it? Yes, the land will be heated up very easily. The land gets heated very quickly than the sea. So when the land is getting heated up, what will happen? The air above the land the air above the land, it will become very hot and very light. It will just gently move up. What will happen at that time, you know? The cool air from the sea. The cool air from the sea will blow towards the land to take the place. In that way, we are getting sea breeze. So when the sea breeze is occurring? During the daytime. So what is the sea breeze? Tell me. Yes, a coastal breeze blowing from the sea towards the land. From the sea towards the land is called as sea breeze. It normally occurs during the daytime. Okay. We saw about sea breeze. Now let us see what is land breeze. Yes, the coastal breeze blowing from the land towards the sea is called as land breeze. So now just tell me, when this land breeze will be occurring? Sea breeze was occurring during the daytime. So land breeze will be occurring during the night. During the night. Now let us see how this land breeze is occurring. Yes, children, during the night, what will happen? When the land is very hot? No, the land will be very cool and sea will be little more hotter than the land. So what happened? The air in the sea will be rising up. At the same time, the air from the land will be blowing towards the sea to take its possession. Clear? The coastal breeze blowing from the land towards the sea. That is called as the land breeze. That is called as the land breeze. Understood about sea breeze and land breeze? Sea breeze. Always remember that the coastal breeze flowing from the sea towards the land. That is sea breeze. When it is occurring? During the daytime. Now, land breeze. The coastal breeze blowing from the land towards the sea. That is called as the land breeze. When this land breeze is occurring? Yes, you see moon is here. So, during the night time. Clear about sea breeze and land breeze? Okay children, so in our today's class, we saw about air. Isn't it? We saw about air. What is the blanket of air around the earth called? Don't forget, it is the atmosphere. So air, it consists of so many types of gases in it. Then we saw about wind. We saw about the strong wind, that is gale. Gentle wind or light wind is called as breeze. Very strong wind, that is called as storm. Then if it is along with this thunder and lightning, it is called as thunderstorms. Finally, we saw about land breeze and sea breeze. Let me show you the picture of sea breeze and land breeze once more. Yes, just see, this is sea breeze. What is sea breeze? The coastal breeze blowing from the sea towards the land. It is called as sea breeze. It blows during the daytime. Now, see the picture of land breeze. A coastal breeze blowing from the land towards the sea is called as land breeze. It blows at the night. Okay? You have to take your textbook. You have to read it very well and understand the concepts. Okay? We will meet in the next class with a new and interesting topic. Bye. Take care.